Impossibly compact for maximum impact. Galaxy Z Flip folds to be surprisingly small for an outstanding design that easily fits into your pocket, bag, or accessory. Let's start review. It has a good camera. With speaker. And mic. You can call with that and capture pictures. You can fold it. But it will not break. Ah, it's amazing. Yes, fold but not break. This is a good mobile. Very good mobile. Mobile with all functions. Yes, all. Like other useful mobile phone. This phone is made by Samsung. Many people like this phone. You can ask anyone how is this phone. If they have Samsung Z Flip then they can tell you about that phone. Samsung is a good company. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is How to A to Z. I made video on useful ideas, hack and DIY. Please subscribe. Don't listen your inner voice, please subscribe. How to A to Z. It's my channel. Samsung Z Flip review is amazing. Hello. Are you there? Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is How to A to Z. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye.